Hi there, my name's Andrew. I'm here reviewing this portable car battery jump starter. This is a great thing to keep in your car in the winter or even in the summer when your battery is going to be working through some extreme temperatures. It's very versatile and work with any kind of vehicle, and also has some really nice features so that you make sure you use it correctly, as well as an emergency light that offers a couple different modes in case you ever get stranded on the side of the road. On the end, there are a few different ports. One is the input for charging it, as well as an output in case you ever need to charge your phone or something else that is USB powered. It does come with these jumper cords. They are easy to connect and have a built-in safety feature so that they can only be connected one way. One has a square edge and one is more round, so they can only go one way onto the battery. And it also has an indicator as to how charged the battery is. When you plug in the cord that comes with it, which is a USB-C, and put it into the wall, it will blink as to how charged the battery is. The green is showing that it is the most charged, yellow is about halfway, and then red is you have about a third of the battery left. I like to keep the jump starter in my truck just for the winter to make sure that I never run out of battery going to work or going up to the mountains to ski. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is plug in the jumper cables and then find your battery in the engine bay. One thing I do like about this particular battery is that if the car battery is completely drained, there is a force start function which will allow you to give it maximum juice to the battery and get it started. Coming up to the battery, the first thing I'm going to do is plug in the black to the negative port on the battery, or you can use the car frame. And then I'm going to power the red to the main red source, that's the positive. From here you can turn it on and it will show a green button in the middle that says that it's ready to use. If you actually mistake, and especially some cars are not labeled very well if you have an older battery, if you get them cross-wired and put the red on the black and the black on the red by accident, what's nice is that this will actually show a little flag in the bottom right corner that's an error message saying that you have it connected incorrectly. After you have it hooked up, you can go into your car, turn the key, and it should jumpstart the battery right then and there. Like I said, this is a really nice thing to keep in your car to make sure you always can get your car going when you need to. It comes in a really small case and is really handy to just keep in your car under the back seat or in the trunk. And I highly recommend having something like this, especially if your car battery is getting older. It's a really nice safety feature to have. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching.